Hello, traders. This is Andy from Trade Ideas. Quick background on myself. I've been trading for about 25 years. Been using Trade Ideas since inception. That's been about 22 years. And what I wanted to do is come in today and show you guys. I'm going to be doing this going forward and giving you guys some ideas for some possible swing trades. But I wanted to tell you what our clients, customers have access to, and that is something called the Trader's Eye. And if you can see here, if I can pull it up there, you can see it in our channel bar. They can just click on that and get these ideas every morning. Now, where do I get these ideas? I have built several scans over the years looking for stocks that are setting up nicely on the daily. And the great thing about Trade Ideas, guys, is it's a real-time streaming scanner, okay? It's not something you have to input a bunch of data and then do a query and pull up stocks and then have to do it again 30 minutes later if you want to see what's in there now. And without going too much into configuration, I want to make this a short video. Just one's called Nice Setup and one's called Sweetness, two of my favorite. And just looking at some of these stocks in here, I think you'll get an idea of what I'm talking about. So, for example, this Oshkosh here, looking for a stock that gapped up a couple of weeks ago and it's kind of rounding on bottom, staying above its key moving averages there. Another one on here, let's see, that I saw this morning. Tractor Supply Company gapped up after earnings, 3 days of a down, and then a reversal yesterday. One has a potential, and I'll just come in here and put a price alert and see if it triggers. Let's see, Texas Roadhouse, nice little coming out of a wedge here. So I think you're getting the idea of I'm not chasing, movements after 3 or 4 bars. I'm looking for that setup. Maybe one down here. Oh, that's my alert going off in Tractor Supply. Ralph Lauren, nice little wedge once again above all its key moving average. There's your setup. Okay, potential for a move back to this high up here. Set another alert in that. All right, so I think you get the idea, and what happens is I put these ideas in a swing watcher, and like it's a global configuration, and everybody will have access to these ideas throughout the day, and they can keep an eye on them. All right, so look for more ideas going forward, and thank you guys. Have a great day.